Hello everyone, this is a video on Java programming language. In this video, I'll show you how to install, where to install from, and set up the development environment. In the end, we'll display a greeting. So let's start to install the development environment. You would need to go to JetBrains and download. At the top, there will be a paid version which you definitely won't need, or you will need it, but not now. Now to start programming, you would require the free version. Here you can specify your version. Indicate on which computer you should install. I'm using Windows, then you would need to create a project. Maybe you're configuring something. Everything stays the same for me. The project name stays the same. The path where it will be stored also stays the same. Finish, that's it, we created the project. Then right-click SRC, New Java Class. I suggest you to name it by lesson number this. You have to enter system out println to write it just as fast. You can, of course, write it all down the usual way, but in order not to waste extra time, you can do so. Then double quotes. And write Hello World. Hello World can be started through run, and, well, you see here you can press Ctrl-Shift-F10. I will run it. The speed in which the command will execute will only depend on the free space on your computer, but everything came out. That's all.